Goodness gracious! Ikaw yung nag-shoplift! You are the one caught stealing on CCTV! Oh my God, no way! I cannot take this anymore, no way!
Alam ko ang tamang pagluto din. Ikaw? Onion? Garlic powder na lang. Bawang is garlic. Aray! Ay! Oo, tama.
Ka nang gumalaw! Lobat na to!
Jo, parang kumabalalo yung baba mo. Sorry.
Ba! Bang!
Sabi ko, I'm excited to grow old with them. Tapos di ba ang goal namin, sabay-sabay kami magkakaanak.
Hard stop na. So, that really helped a lot. And kitang-kita naman. So, more resting.
Face review muna.
Four wisdom teeth are extracted,
and distracted.
and manipulated.
Isaw means you're beautiful. Isaw. It means in English, I saw. I saw the sign. When it opens up my eyes, I saw the sign. I saw the sign. No. Isaw is the intestine of Joanna.
And show your coffee, bebe. Ay, bebe.
Bebe. Chico.
Bebe!
Can we eat?
I know you're watching. May mangga, Jo? Cannibalism again? Sobra na may kinagagalak na nanonood kayo ngayon dito.
And we are delighted to have you here.
Just choose A or B.
Aray! Ako po ay...
Bebe, laliman.
Okay, that's 20 likes. Oh, thank you, Colette.
Nagkikiss sa baby.
Parang mahina nakit ka sa akin, Bebe. Sabi niya.
Kayong dalawa lang, may bebe wala. Kayong dalawa lang, may bebe wala. Explain sa akin kayo na ano tayo? Isang posisyon tayo nag- Yan lang.
Happy birthday, Weaver! Birthday ng Weavers? Happy birthday, Beyond Weaver!
Oo nga, unang kilik pala.
Rapunzel, can you do the Alden pose? Oh, what's the Alden pose? Oh, that one?
I just had to let you know you're
Helicopter, helicopter!
Ang tanong namin, Master, kamusta ba ang preparation? Master, kamusta na po ba ang preparation sa inyo?
Super excited kami pero hindi talaga nawawala yung kaba. But we've been very hands-on. From song choices, kailangan natin ng pangmalakasang mga kanta. So we make sure na every detail talaga exactly sounds how we want it.
Okay,
Parang
parang-
baliktad. Kasi ngayon na po mag-analyze.
Lapit lang. Ako nga, gusto ko mag-audition dun eh. Sa music video. Gusto ko
Anong position mo?
sumama.
Anong position mo, Kuya Robin?
Ganyan.
Ay!
Siyempre, bagong kwentuhan, please, batiin niyo muna ang ating mga online squadmates. Yeah.
Hi! Online Squadmates!
We are Oh, ayan o. Sa mga pinakabago naming song.
Oh, yung mga Blooms na sumusuporta sa mga bago niyong album, yung mga bagong songs niyo. Okay ka lang,
Oh.
mix. Paano niyo madalaman na makakapag-perform kayo?
Ano nakalaman? Stop! Ano? Sorry.
Kalaman. Paano niyo madalaman?
Ano post?
Paano mo nakalaman?
Ha? Nakalaman?
Perfect!
In terms of the music, choreography, looks, and the like, paano niyo pinaprepare for this once-in-a-lifetime performance?
Ako lang.
As we're talking about Coachella, di ba sa ASAP, whenever we see yung mga iba't ibang artists sa backstage, nakakausap natin, nakaka-hangout natin, eto sa Coachella naman, sino mga kami na-manifest yung makaka-hangout or ma-meet backstage? Nakita niyo naman yung lineup eh.
Si Ate
Pink
Sam.
Panther.
Ate Sam.
Ano niyo naman inaalagaan ng physical and mental health niyo as you prepare for Coachella?
So, pag ganito, we make sure na, kasi tomorrow mag-start yung talagang official rehearsal namin. Oo. Tapos, kailangan, syempre ready kami. Kaya, ano ba, wait lang, from the top. Kasi kailangan talaga namin maging, you know? Teka lang, parang nawawala.
Okay na, next na.
Next
na daw.
question. Good luck and Godspeed.
Hindi, sa amin yun. Sa amin yun. Ano pa?
Agaw ng speed.
Honey, what's your message to our blue honey? Translate mo, Ate Jo. I said, bye. A, B, C. Tama yung mga feeling mo. Ay, kita ba naman mo? Ay, wait, nasa ba? Sabi ko!
Kailangan na mag-explain na ako. Natatahi ko.
Sino? Sino? Ano?
Cause I can't wait to see you again. Gusto kita makita, mayagap malapit. It feels like I'm missing a piece.
Aya naman.
Kumusta ang pagbabalik dito sa Showtime stage? Woohoo! Sobrang nakakakilig!
Paano yun? Isa tanga? Yeah.
Grabe pang ilang balik na nila dito.
Correct.
Pero yung mark natin kulang pa.
Kulang pa din.
Yung Coachella kasi di ba international yan?
Correct.
So English speaking that.
Correct ka dyan.
I have a question. Who will be the English speaking spoken person in the international stage?
Ate
Ay, sino?
Maloy.
Who?
Ate Maloy.
Lord.
Would be me and her and everyone in the world.
Oh!
Pero kung may isa lang, sino?
I think everyone can speak.
I feel like it's
Everyone.
Beanie Maloy. Can you interview
Oo nga.
Beanie
Okay nga.
Maloy?
Okay. Okay, let's go, let's go.
Okay, I have the fact
Come here. Do you think what can you expect the international fans in Coachella?
Oh, they can expect a lot of new stages, a lot of new performances that we really practiced for, and I hope they love it because we poured our heart into it, and I hope that in the middle of this
Ba't kayo
chaos.
atras?
Kami follow up yun.
Oh, so what's the follow-up question? Can you please comprehend what you're trying to say?
Yes.
That's a good question. Answer.
Galing ni Eris. Alam mo, pwede rin siya sa Coachella.
Ay, pwede.
Ano siya? Cockroachella. May beach outing ngayong summer. Patingin ng kilig.
Ay, may matanggal ng salamin.
May shade.
May shade. Summer na summer.
Dumaan si Crush.
May dumaan na dog or cat.
Ang cute.
Kinurot.
Eto, nag-message ang family mo at sabi nila, proud of you.
I love my family.
Sino sabi ni Sheena?
Umiyak siya.
Umiyak siya.
Umiyak siya.
Ah, nag-comment si Celebrity Crush. IG post mo. Patingin. Ay!
Ay, bakit ganon?
Ay!
May libreng buffet. Alipot!
Kinain niya yung camera.
Correct.
Yes. Walang pasok, so may rest day ka.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah! Pera! Ganon!
Kilig.
Wala akong maambag sa pagluluto, guys. Dishwasher lang ako. Gagawin na lahat, wag lang maghugas. Yung shirt saka sushi yung isa. Ako ba na daw ba na ikaw nakikim ng sampal? Ay, ako sila kaya. Nakay kwenta na, nasa tabi niya. Paano ba to?
Ay, no. Ay! Ala, no.
Get well to Mika, right?
Yes,
Get well, a
get well,
little under the
Mika.
weather.
Alex.
These girls have been working very, very hard. It's been if you're to collaborate with somebody on a song, on a track.
I'll go first. Bisara Geronimo.
Hey, what will be the song? What will be the song? If you're gonna write it.
Oh, shoot. What would be the song?
Yeah.
Pwedeng to follow.
Ako ngayon, feel ko makaka-vibe na Zara Larsson. Good song talaga.
Me, besides Miss Sarah G, Sabrina, Ate Sam. Yes, she's my ate.
Kasama ko siya kagabi.
Ano po? Go, ate Ay ko muna.
Me, I would say Dua Lipa. Yeah.
She'll be your backup dancer.
Hindi naman po.
What's the set that you guys are gonna have there? What's special about the show before the send off? Can you discuss it?
Are we allowed to say it? Well, for
5
sure.
people saying no.
Yes.
Will there be a preview of the Coachella set there?
I don't know. I don't think so.
You know, just throwing it
I don't
out.
know.
Kami bago kami mahantong, kung hantong talaga eh.
Yeah, when the other one's too high energy, how does one? Kasi kayo, you're pretty much even keel when it comes to performing.
Actually, gets na po namin yun eh.
Yeah.
Parang, before kasi po, parang dapat pag ganito energy na isa, dapat ganun lang tayo. But now, nag-gets na namin yung ugali talaga ng isa't isa. Na yung si Gwen, mabilis malubat yan. Pag 7 p.m. pack up namin. 1 p.m.
na ngayon.
7 na ngayon. Sabi niya nga 1 p.m. pack up.
Sorry po, need na po niya umuwi.
Sabi niya nga po kanina eh. Sabi niya po kanina, Jo, ano natin? Hanggang oras tayo today? Sabi ko 7. Parang hanggang 1 lang ako.
After showtime.
ng Bicol.
So what are the things that people don't know about each other, about you guys? Feel
they
free
know
to-
everything.
Stacey, what do they call her, Staku?
That's my nickname po.
Nickname.
By my lola, by my
Akala ko sa rap,
mama.
alter
Oh,
ego.
that's my alter ego, Suchan.
Sometimes, pag ginaganahan ako, nag-shopping ako buong araw.
What do you like to shop?
Pag ginaganahan.
Buong
Pag
araw
ginaganahan. Siyempre, travel.
Whole day,
What do you
bruh.
enjoy buying? I mean, buong araw yun, that's a long day.
Yeah, I usually go to all the shops in. Joke lang! Hindi!
I aspire to be like her.
Trina is a wolf.
Listen to my body po. Para
Nag-jeep ka?
Oo! Isang beses lang.
Sumahay rocks, sumahay rocks.
Kasi syempre, kaka-move in ko lang. So, parang na-excite pa ako sa amenities, ganon. So,
Yeah.
parang, sige, try natin. Parang unat huli ko na po yun.
6 years ago, you were just dreaming of this, you were training for this. Now that it's all surreal for you guys, how do you guys handle it every day? Ano yung na-miss nyo?
That's a fact po.
Was it an animated video trailer for Coachella?
Yes,
It was
I
you
saw
guys?
that. Opo.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you po. Salamat. And two more awards. Next year ulit po.
And a message to all the monsters tuned in. Go ahead before I let y'all sing your hot song.
What's up, monsters? Thank you so much, for the love. Thank you sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa Beanie and sa Monster. Sana po makabisita po ulit kami dito para makapag-hi hello sa inyong lahat. So, abangan nyo po yan. Maraming salamat po. See you all soon and bye-bye!
Extra na.
Hindi pa tapos yung interview. Like extra. It's open to joining a beauty pageant.
We have!
As of now, yes.
Joanna.
Ate Aya, sample.
Ate Aya, sample.
What is the essence
What is the essence of being a woman?
na siya, yung bini niya for now, bini daw.
So right now, the focus is Beanie.
Yes,
You're not closing your doors.
We'll see. Because I'll be 13 or something.
How about acting? Any of you guys gonna get into acting? Yeah. What kind of role would you want to do?
Kada ng ginto.
Enrico po. Sir Rico nandun din sa MB. So, star-studded.
Walang
You.
go. Ah!
Hindi, pinaprepare na yung table. Tignan mo. Nilagyan niya ng biscuit mo. Nilagyan niya ng mga...
Di ba yung tapos, wait?
Oh, hindi pa tapos pa.
Tum na ako?
Meron pa dun.
Ano yun, like freebie?
Hmm.
Hindi na siya kasama.
Kinabahan si Staxi. Gusto niya may biscuit.
Kinabahan kasi ako. Kinabahan.
Nakain ba si Coach niya?
Kinain ko si Coach?
Hindi ko nakain si Coach dyan.
Oo.
Ipatikin mo kay Coach Mickey. Ha? Para alam mo yung ano. Tapos ka na? Ayan na si Ayan. Ayan na, patik. Ayan.
Siya si Ayan. Napasta ako para mag-taste. That's my first take. Just go taste it. It's not that, ano ba?
Ayan na si Jo. Jo, tikman mo steak ko.
Yeah. It's not perfect pa ha. Don't judge me. I will judge you. Naalatan ko pa. Uy, oo, maalat na. Uy, akaisa pa tulog. Uy, hindi ka ganyan pa tulog. Asa pa tulog? Baka ipakita mo yung mga sitang patulog na lang. Asa na yung steak? Asa niyo ba yung mga members? Numerate ko po ba, ma'am? Asa si ano? Si Aya.
Ayaw po nag-workout.
Si Joanna.
Si Joanna po naliligo.
Mika.
Kulang si John. Mix ba yun? Ano dyan yan? Mix. Saka si Gwen. Si Mix. Parang siya yun. Hindi, nag-iPad siya kanina yun. Yung mga sila, tatawagin na namin kayo. Hindi ba sumasama yung comments pag pinaliktad? I mean, pag inanong mo yung phone, ginanong.
I-flip daw ng gano'n.
Scrap ko na yung table.
Okay, let's line up. Here we go. Get together. 6, 7, 1.
natin live exclusive siya. TikTok live exclusive. Kaya i-check out nyo na guys. Kasi 100 orders lang naman yun.
Ayan, ito yung soft lang.
Mine is soft glam kit. Kung gusto nyo ng super beginner friendly. Yeah, may kasamang Polaroid photo. Beginner friendly. Yeah, may kasamang Polaroid photo.
Simpleng ngiti. And how we trying to... Ibig, baby, no more games. Just give me
Uy, nakita yung kiligin mo ginanon.
Joanna, ano pa sabi niyo? Tutulungan mo ako? Ano na yung ano? Riyan mo. Galing mo. Yung pantulog mo pang boss, pero ubus na sa... Ikaw nag-represent ng ano. Kung sino mo ganda ng timpla ko. Siyempre, sinabi na kita kung ano gagawin mo. Oy,
Sabi nila, gusto pa na daw balik ka makikim ng
kapal ang isa yung tiga mo. Huwag kang mapapansin.
May plate pa tayo dyan.
May tanong ako, dapat mabilis sagot. Game. Sabihin mo 3, 10 times. 3. Anong English ng tatlo? 3. Anong spelling ng puno? T-R-E-E. P-U-N-O. Anong